This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
O2 sensors replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. For the replacement of the upstream oxygen sensor, release the wiring harness from the clip. Disconnect the sensor's electrical connector. Carefully unscrew the sensor from the exhaust manifold using an oxygen sensor socket if available. Anti-seize compound must be used on the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. The threads of new sensors will already be coated with this compound, but if an old sensor is removed and reinstalled, recoat the threads. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Reconnect the sensor electrical connector and secure the connector in the retaining clip. Attach the wiring harness into the clip. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. For the replacement of the downstream oxygen sensor, release the electrical connector from the clip, then disconnect it. Unscrew the downstream sensor from the catalytic converter. If reinstalling the old sensor, coat the threads with anti-seize compound. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Reconnect the electrical connector, then secure it onto the retaining clip. Lower the car to the ground. Then, tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.